and it's going to show me the managed account. So the main difference is accounting device. It shows you the accounts on specifically this device. If you double click on any of the accounts, it shows you the properties of this account. If you're going to go to accounting view, double click on the device, it shows you this account, how it's managed. In that case, this account is managed for 2 machines. Okay, now how it works. Accounting device view, I'm choosing 3551. I'm creating a new account. I will call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I will call it test. Okay. So if this account with such a name does not exist in this machine, you should not see any warnings. The application will create the account. After the account will be created, it's going to refresh the counter. You have the option to unbox this, refresh the counters. So in that case, it just will create and write the information to the machine without refreshing. You don't need to refresh the counters all the time. If you're managing the device, if you want to just add or delete accounts, you don't need to refresh the counters all the time. You should do it only if you're extracting the information, so you have the updated counters for all the accounts on that device. In my case, I refreshed it by default. The reason why you should be careful with this option if it's a long distance computers from the different subnet, from the different buildings. That's gonna take lots of time just to refresh the counters, like minutes and minutes and minutes. Almost done. Okay. A little bit more. Looks like it freezed. Okay, and it just disappeared. So we created account, that's the one. In the search field, I just punched the account name, account ID, that's the one. Awesome. Okay, now let's go to account view. Let's look for the same account, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the one. Double click on it, and you see it is linked only to one device, RES main printer, IP 10.4. Now I'm gonna add, and it shows me this one. So it will not show you any other machine but managed machines. Because I managed only 2, it gives me the option to choose one more. Okay. So following the files will be added: the account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah 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 blah, IP address. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, please. So now the application transfers this account into another machine. I can hear that the machine clicks, waking up from the sleep mode. And of course, because by default counter is supposed to be refreshed, so here we go, refreshed. And you see that the task alpha 5551 appeared. Okay, let's close this one. Accounting device, that's my 5551 with all accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. That's the one just created, test with 0 prints on it, 3551. Let's look for the new account, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go, 0 prints on it. Okay, now if we're gonna click 3551, let's call it main. Let's look for this account again. Double click on it, and that's the properties for this account, right? So I can do the reset the counter for this account. I can do some limitations and so on. And you see this refresh device counter after you apply the settings. So if you want to apply any settings but you don't want to refresh the counter, unbox this one so you're gonna save time. Okay, let's go to accounting view again, and we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test account. Here we go. Double click on this account and you see how this account is linked. This one is easy. Close. General view. So on the general view, we are able to refresh the device, home page for the device, and sometimes in advanced mode, if the device is managed, you're able to extract the information and put